Hi there. If you've got an idea for a small business, maybe pet sitting, cleaning, handyman work, or something else, and you're wondering, could this actually work? Then I'd like to show you some ways that AI can help you brainstorm and get your plan together. Lots of people have great ideas, but you can get stuck when it comes to figuring out the details or knowing what to do next. Questions like, who would actually pay for this? How much should I charge? What do I need to do to get started? These are all completely normal questions, and honestly, they can take ages to figure out if you don't have any help or support. AI tools like ChatGPT or Claude can be brilliant at helping you think through your idea. It's like having a really smart friend who can help you organize your thoughts and research your local area. No technical skills are needed, just asking questions like you would to any helpful person. Over the next 7 short videos, we'll use AI to help you get your idea properly organized. We'll figure out who your customers might be, what you should charge, how to tell people about your services, all the stuff you need to know. By the end, you'll have everything written down clearly, ready to show a bank or business advisor. So AI isn't going to make decisions for you or tell you what to do. We can think of it more like a research assistant who's really good at finding information and helping us organise our thoughts. But you're still the one with the great idea and the local knowledge. AI just helps us get everything clear in our minds. And if you're here on the Isle of Man, it's a fantastic place to start a small business. There's no corporation tax to worry about, relatively quick and easy to set up, and the government offers support for new businesses. By the end of our time together, you'll learn how to use AI to research your idea, organise all your business related thoughts clearly, and put together a plan that shows you've thought things through. Most importantly, you'll feel confident to talk about your idea with banks, advisors, or anyone else who might help you get started. Want to see how easy this can be? Think about your business idea, whatever it is. And now open up ChatGPT or Claude and try asking some simple questions. You could say to it, what questions should I think about before starting your type of service business? Give it a go. Pause the video and see what happens. Take as long as you need. So how was that? Pretty helpful, right? I bet it gave you some useful questions you hadn't thought of. Maybe some things made you think, great point, and others made you think, not quite sure that fits my situation. Perfect, because that's exactly how this works. AI gives you ideas to think about, and it's you that decides what makes sense for your particular situation. In our next video, we'll take your idea and help you get really clear about what you want to achieve and who you want to help. Before then, grab the simple download I've made for you and maybe spend 10 minutes just chatting with your AI tool about your idea. Ask it anything you're curious about. There are no silly questions. Ready to get your idea organised? Let's do this.